Do you want to see how to earn passive PayPal money by using EarnApp and if it's really worth it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael, and a while ago I recorded a full tutorial about EarnApp, and since a lot of people have asked me about but how much can you earn and does it really pay and all that, so therefore I decided to record this video where I will show you how to redeem and I will show you EarnApp payment proof so you can see that it pays, but I will go into more details also about how much you can earn, because just because it pays doesn't mean it's worth it. So before I log in, just quickly let me go over exactly what it is. I have a full tutorial, I will leave a link in the top corner so you can check that out. This is just an introduction, but EarnApp is one of the platforms where you can install it on different devices. You can see on the website what you can download it for. Just by having it installed, you will share your unused internet bandwidth and then you will earn, so you can earn completely passively. Again, I've explained all about that in my full tutorial, so you can check that out if you want more details. Or you can also check out the link below this video to a full tutorial where you can read all the details. This is just an introduction and a video where I will focus more on the payment proof so you can see that it does pay, and talk more about how much time I spent to earn and the experiences I've seen from others, so you can get an overall idea about how much you can earn to find out if it's worth it. So let me now log in and then we can start with the payment proof. So I am now logged into EarnApp and you can see my current balance and you can see my lifetime earnings. So that's the same right now because I actually haven't taken out money yet. I wanted to record it the first time I did it. So you can see I have $63. So what I then now need to do is that I need to click to redeem my balance. And you can see you then have few different options: PayPal, Amazon gift card, or Wise. The Wise option is something they've added since I first recorded a video about it. That's where you can actually get paid also in cash into your bank. I love that they've added this as an alternative also to getting paid in cash via PayPal. I think that is definitely great. But for this video, because many people have asked me about PayPal, I will then choose PayPal. And then you just need to fill out your PayPal account. And of course, I blurred out my PayPal email there, but you just put it there. And then you see you put the amount. You can see right now it's only possible to take out the full amount, and you have to have at least $2.50 there to be able to take out. And then they also have some info about the handling fees there. But then all I then need to do is now to click to redeem. And that's it. Then you just have to wait for it to arrive. I'll leave a screenshot on the screen here when I receive an email from PayPal, so you can see the money did go into my account. I will also there write exactly how long it took for the money to go into my account, so you have a good idea about how long you have to wait. But as you can see, then it is possible to get paid. You can get paid in cash via PayPal or Wise, or you can choose to get paid in Amazon gift cards. But what you then of course need to know is how long does it take to earn this much, and is it really worth the effort? So let's talk about that next. So let's now then talk about how much you can earn so you can find out if it's worth it, because you can see I could earn $63 and that's nice to get out, but how long has it taken? Because if it's taken a year, then probably it's not worth it, or if it's taken a week, then then it's great, right? So the thing is that you can't just look at what I have earned, because I've just jumped to the referral section, and you can see I have quite a lot of referrals, because after I made first a video where I said this is how it works, you install it, you can earn a little bit extra, because this is not something that will make you rich. I made that very clear from the beginning when I first also published this. But a lot of people find my content useful and they decided to join. So you can see I have quite a lot of people that joined through my link. So that's why the majority of what I've earned is by inviting people and not just by having it installed on my device, because that alone will not earn you that much. But what this can also be used for when we talk about how much you can earn is that I can look at what I've earned, because when you invite someone, you earn 10%. They will earn the same, but then EarnApp will pay you 10%. So that also means that I can figure out I only earn because the people that have joined through my invitation link have actually been able to earn. And many people, they join and then they never use it. But you can see some of the referrals, how much they have earned since they joined. I blurred out, of course, some names and things like that there, so you can't see that for privacy reasons. But you can see what people have earned there, and this is I can't say exactly how long they have been using it. I can say that I did my first video maybe a couple of months ago, since I am recording this here, but you can see in general, people, a lot of them have earned somewhere between $1 and $2. You can see this is the first page. Of course, there's several more pages. And this gives you an idea about that it's not something where you can earn $1 per day and things like this. How much you can earn depends a lot on your location, because you will earn by sharing your unused internet bandwidth for different market research and things like that. I explain all about that in the initial review also, so you can check that out if you want all the details about that. But in some countries, there's a higher demand for traffic, so therefore you will of course be able to earn more. But this then gives you an idea about some of the people that earn the most there. So you should not expect to earn a lot. Let me just make that clear. And I also have used platforms like, for example, Peer2Profit or Honeygain and things like that. I also have information about that. I'll leave a link in the top corner there. And from also talking to people I've invited there and from my own experiences by using them, they in general seems to have a bigger client base, which means that there's a high demand for traffic, which means you can earn more in general. That's my experience. If you have different experience, please feel free to share below. It would be great to hear. So if you could say which country are you from, which platform like this have you seen the best results with, and how much have you earned, that would be really great. So please feel free to share that. But overall, in my experience and from seeing what my referrals have earned, and also you should not expect more than maybe $1 to $2 per month, depending on the country. In some countries it can be more, in some it can be less. You don't have to do anything, so it's like passive earnings like that, but it does take patience to earn for sure. And I also know now some people will ask me but how are you able to get this many referrals and all that? That's kind of for another topic, but I will leave a link below so you can find out more information about what I would recommend if that's what you want to do to earn more on different platforms. But that's kind of a topic for another video that I'm not going to go into here. This is to focus on how much that you can earn on EarnApp and to show your payment proof, because a lot of people have asked about that. So overall, EarnApp does pay, and I do like the payout options that you can get paid in cash, and it has different options for that. And you can also choose Amazon gift cards, which is as good as cash in some countries. So it definitely can be a way to earn a little bit extra passively. And the most important is, of course, to do it with the right expectations, and that's why I recorded this, to show exactly how it works. I want to prove that it actually does pay, but also how much you can expect to earn, because so many people have asked me for an update about this. So I hope this video helped you, and if you want more information about that, or if you want to join or join tips, anything like that, I will leave more information below so you can find different info depending on what your interests are. But if you did like the video, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.